Welcome back, aliens. You are at the codifier. Without wasting time, let's back to the quick code series. Write a program to find a number is a palindrome or a not. Right now, the main question is what is a palindrome number? See the example here 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This number is a palindrome. How? If you saw this number carefully, then you notice that if you count this number from starting or from ending, it seems same number. Means original number is a 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And if if we put this number in a reverse order, then it similar to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Both are the same. Yes, let's code for it. Yes, test number. We took here a number 1 2 2 3 2 2 1. We take here number which we want to test. We use print the original number is plus string test number. This operation is used to attach test number at the end. We use a command res equal to string means str test number equal to str test number square bracket colon minus 1. Here we use result as a res. We firstly convert test number into string because we want to access this data by their index value. We use equal to operator here to check the condition. Again we use a string test number, but we arrange this test number into reverse order using slicing operation, means colon minus 1. It indicates start, stop and a step in the square bracket. If this case became true, the result store true. We write here print is this number is a palindrome plus string res. We got our output. So aliens, this is palindrome series. If you want to learn more coding problem, then comment down below.